yes, you finished your film, congrats. But unless you only made it for your mom and your hard drive, you're gonna need a distribution deal. A distribution deal is a legal agreement where you, the filmmaker, grant a distributor the rights to sell, license, or show your film. The deal usually spells out where they can sell it, territories like US, Europe, Asia, how long they can keep the rights, term, often 5 to 15 years, how the money is split, their fees, recoupable expenses, your share. For example, if Netflix acquires your film, they don't own it, they license it for a set period of time. With indie distributors, it could be for theater, streaming, or DVD. Think of it like renting your film out to someone with better connections and a bigger audience than you. In the same way, it's like a musician giving their song to the DJ. It means the musician created it, but the DJ decides when and if the crowd actually hears it.